Hi kids! Oh wow! 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits. This is orange. Do you like to eat orange, kids? Wow, an apple! Red color. This is our second fruit. And our third fruit is watermelon. Inside it is red. Our third fruit is lemon. This is yellow color. Let's cut them. We need a cutting board and a knife. Apple. Watermelon. Lemon. Now we will learn alphabets. Wow, color pens! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is yellow. Second color is purple. Third color is red. Fourth color is blue. Fifth color is orange. Sixth color is green. Seventh color is pink. Eighth color is sky blue. And our last color, ninth color is light green. What is your favorite color, kids? Let's start. Blue color. A. A for apple. A for also ant. Light green. B. B for bison. B for also bulbul. Red color. C. C for candy. C for also cat. Pink color. D. D for dog. D for also dolphin. Yellow. E. E for egg. E for also elephant. Our next color is sky blue. F for frog. F for also fish. Purple color. G. G for guava. G for also goat. Green color. H. H for horse. H for also hummingbird. Orange color. I. I for ice cream. I for also igloo. Now say with me, kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Do you like the video, kids? If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Okay, bye.